Stitch, the little yellow alien, was feeling lonely one day. He wanted to make new friends and have fun. So, he decided to explore the neighborhood. As he hopped and skipped, he met a friendly caterpillar named Cate. Stitch asked Cate if she wanted to play, and she happily agreed. They played hide-and-seek in the tall grass, laughing and giggling. Next, they met a curious squirrel named Squeaker. Squeaker loved nuts, and Stitch offered to help him find some. Together, they scampered up trees and dug in the ground, finding nuts everywhere. After playing with Squeaker, they met a wise old owl named Owlbert. Owlbert told them about the secret garden hidden deep in the woods. Stitch and his new friends decided to go and see it. The garden was beautiful, filled with colorful flowers and sparkling waterfalls. They spent the afternoon playing and exploring, enjoying the fresh air and the beauty around them. As the sun began to set, Stitch realized that he was not feeling lonely anymore. He had made new friends and had a wonderful day. He knew that he would always remember this day and the friends he had made. That night, Stitch went back home, feeling happy and content. He was no longer lonely, and he knew that he had many more adventures ahead of him. From that day on, he made it a point to explore and meet new friends every day. The end.